It's necessary for some. Some people,
I don't think about it.
Guy or girl, I think it's a normal thing.
I don't know.
Ooh, let's see here. Look, I mean, if the guys want to do it, they can do it.
I do it sometimes, you know.
Honestly, I think everyone should masturbate. It probably make for a lot less traffic, a lot less angry people.
I just think that it's better for you to masturbate than cheat on your significant other.
It's a natural phenomenon. You know, there are some times that you don't have a significant other, and you just have to help yourself.
I think you should be able to please yourself before somebody can actually please you.
If you're having to masturbate and you have a significant other, then there's another issue.
My guess is that some people don't have significant others, and that's why they're masturbating.
I mean, hey, if that's what you do, do it. Get it in.
Maybe if you're like caught in the act, it could be a little bit embarrassing.
I feel like masturbation is a waste of time when there's too many females in the world.
It's healthier to masturbate
Yeah.
than to sleep around.
If you're not able to reach climax in some way by yourself, complete waste of time with anybody else. So, A-okay to masturbation.
It's perfectly healthy, perfectly normal, and there's a lot of stigma attached to masturbation.
People get addicted to masturbation.
People get addicted to sleeping around.
People don't get addicted to sleeping around. They get addicted to the rush.
And I think it's a great way to get to know yourself and know your body, and again, to find out how you can pleasure yourself so that your mate can help.
Having an orgasm is a healthy thing. It's proven. It releases endorphins and all these wonderful things for your body that help to decrease pain, blah, blah, blah. I could go on and on.
Personally, I wouldn't do it because once I'm done masturbating, I'm going to need some dick. And the dick is not going to be right there. So,
Do you, literally, you know?
I'm going to just be sitting there and I don't like dildos. So,
I mean, I prefer just actually, so you just got to squat on it. But I mean, hey, if you want to go with the hands, go with the hands.